In this video, we are going to learn about Muslim political thought by Al Mawardi. So, if you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Without any further ado, let's begin. Al Mawardi was born in Basra, Iraq. Later on, he shifted to Baghdad. In Baghdad, he studied Fiqh and Sharia. Fiqh means Islamic law. After getting education, he started teaching in Baghdad. Later on, he was appointed as a judge. He was also appointed as Qazul Quzad, but he rejected this offer. Al-Mawardi left great treasure of knowledge and philosophy. His books are following: Al-Akhmati Sultaniya, Ordinance of Government; Nishatul Muluk, Advice to Kings; Qawaninul Wazarat, Laws of Ministry, and so on. Now let's talk about the purpose of writing Theory of Imamate by Al-Mawardi. Al-Mawardi was living at the time when there was a decline of Abbasids. Khilafat was in danger. The threats of Fatimids from Egypt that they might invade and capture Baghdad, the fear of Seljuks coming from Turkey, the fear of Shia tribes who were living outside Baghdad. These factors were weakening the Khilafat. Mawardi gave many advices to Khalifa through his theory of Imamate, tried to protect and preserve the Khilafat in Baghdad. Theory of Khilafat or Imamate. Qualification. The candidates of Imamate should fulfill certain conditions: justice, wisdom, courage, bravery, knowledge, integrity of physical sense, integrity of organs, and he must be Crushite descent. Appointment. Al-Mawardi provide two methods for the appointment of Khalifa or Imam. Number 1. He may be elected by the Electoral College. Number 2. He may be nominated by the ruling Imam. Al-Mawardi says that if there is only one suitable candidate for the Imamate, he automatically becomes the Imam and no election is required. Duties and functions of Imam. According to Al-Mawardi, Imam should perform 10 principal duties. The Imam must protect the faith of Islam from impurities like bid'at and bad innovations, etc. Number 2. The Imam must ensure that Islamic limits and punishments should be followed in the state. Imam should curb the strong from showing harshness to the weak and encourage the weak to take his due in the teeth of opposition of the strong. Number 3. The maintenance of law and order in the country to make it possible for the people to lead a peaceful life and proceed to their economic activities freely and travel in the land without any fear. Number 4. Religious war or jihad against those who oppose the call of Islam or refuse to enter the protection of Islamic State as a non-Muslim. Number 5. It is Imam's duty to collect kharaj and zakat according to the Sharia law. Number 6. Imam has to protect the state from external aggression. For this purpose, he has to lead his forces like a commander-in-chief. Number 7. Imam must appoint capable, honest, and pious people in his administration. Number 8. The sanction of allowance from state treasury to those who are needy, poor, and sick, and also for those who cannot afford good education. Number 9. The enforcement of criminal code of the Holy Quran to ensure that the people do not outrage the prohibition of God and that the fundamental rights of men are not violated. Number 10. The Imam must ensure that he has direct access to the people of state and he must be informed of everything that happen in the society. Thanks for watching the CSS Fair. See you in the next video. Keep moving forward. Allah Hafiz.